Hello and aloha! Today I will be sharing with you a Japanese-inspired dessert with a local twist to it, Butter Mochi. To start off, you'll need the following ingredients. The mochiko or sweet flour rice can be found in the Asian aisle or at any Asian market. First off, melt 1 stick of unsalted butter. Add 2 cups of sugar to a large mixing bowl, then add in the melted butter. Mix it well. Crack open 4 eggs and add it to the mixture. Stir until it's combined. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Open 1 box of mochiko and add it to the mixture with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. When mixing, it will get thick, so I switched over to a spatula. Open the coconut milk and evaporated milk cans. Add in 1 can at a time. Mix them until it is combined well. Pour the mixture to a 9x13 pan. Shake the pan briefly to get all air bubbles to the surface. Bake it at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Remove from the oven and let it cool until room temperature. Flip the pan over and let the butter mochi slide off of the pan. Cut it into even squares. Serve it as dessert and enjoy. If you'd like to see more local grinds, please subscribe. Mahalo!